What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds to Success podcast, back again with another quick tip video. Today's quick tip video is a weird one, however, I believe is very, very important, is car seats. So what we do in our business and in my business is anytime a car comes in with a car seat, we talk to the owner and we say, hey, listen, we do not clean these and we do not secure them down. So most of the time we'll ask the customer to remove them for us or kind of unsecure it to the point where we can just take it out when we bring the car in and move the car seat to somewhere safe in our shop and that it won't get broken. So we'll clean underneath it, blah, blah, blah. Some people will say, oh, don't even worry about it. Either they don't want to go through the hassle or they really don't care. They'll just say, oh, don't worry about it. Just work around it. We'll do that as well. But then if we are taking it out, we're going to clean underneath it. When we've done everything, we're going to put the car seat back in. However, and as I'm sure you can see, it's visibly wrong. So what I mean by that is this car seat is usually forward facing. That's the way it came in. That's the way that it's supposed to be. However, I put it to the side, showing the owner and I guess the kid, if he or she can get in there, showing them that it's wrong and it's not in the right place, something's wrong with it, and we have to secure it now. So we also verbally tell them that, hey, just letting you know, the car seat is not secure. Make sure you do that before you drive off or you put your kid in there. So what I mean by us visibly making it seem wrong, we'll put it out to the side, we'll point it that way. You know, sometimes I flipped it upside down if you can, obviously without damaging anything. We've put it in the trunk. We've left it outside of the car. Kind of whatever you can do to make it seem like, okay, this is not secured in. So that's what we do. And then for the cleaning aspect of it, we don't clean them. Simple as that. Most we'll do is vacuum it and take an air compressor to it, and that is absolutely it. If we are leaving the car seat inside the car while we do the detail, for whatever reason, the most we will do is vacuum it and then have a wet towel, not wet, but damp towel with just water, and just wipe it down real quick. Just if we got any overspray or any chemicals on it, we just want to wipe those off real quick. And that's the most we do. That's it. We make sure you talk to the customer and tell them that, hey, listen, it's not secured in, and just let them know before they go and drive off and put their kid in there. So very, very simple. That's how we deal with the car seats. I know it might be controversial for us not fully cleaning them. I don't want to be the guy liable for a kid's, skin getting an irritation or a rash or something, God forbid, worse. You also don't want to be liable in case there is something that goes wrong, whether they get in an accident or they brake really hard and the car seat goes flying with the kid in it. That's not a good day for anybody, let alone the guy who just, supposedly was supposed to fasten it down. So make it verbal and tell your customer that, hey, it's not secure, make it visibly wrong, and you'll be good to go. That's all. That's all we do for car seats. We don't really clean them and go crazy with them. It's a car seat at the end of the day for kids. They're going to get dirty, and just make sure you just want to make sure that the kid and the parent is safe, and that's about it. As always, everybody, if this quick tip video helped you out in any way, please like it and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see in our next quick tip video. And you guys know the drill by now. Take care, everybody.